Okay, we have a problem with the 2 plus. That fucking thing doesn't spray any water when the 2 plus is down. So, what you have to do, you have to take this off. If I'm fucking lucky enough. Yes, I am lucky. So this is one. This bloody thing needs to be 90 degrees down. 90 degrees. It's the A flipping thing on that. Don't worry, I will show you in a minute. That's that. Okay. Hey, kurwa. Dobra, next. So this is 2 there. There's something on the flipping top as well. Ah, yeah, there is one on top, yes. Ah, kurwa. Something we knew. This is for educational purposes only, eh? So, you know, don't be funny. Life is hard, as some people say. Maybe I can try this side, huh? Yeah. Yes, 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 yes. 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 Well, maybe not as yes. It's difficult to do it with one flipping hand when you want to be YouTube sensation. Fuck's sake. Huh? You want to be a YouTube sensation. YouTube rewinds. Na na na. Na na na. Okay. Come on! Okay, so that's beautiful. We have 2. And now I have to have another 2 somewhere. Where is the fucking somewhere, man? Now this is the biggest issue. How do I... Can I go and spin you? Maybe. I can try. If everything is going slow. Yeah, so now she's there. This is the most important button there is. Yes, she goes. She goes. She goes. Yeah. We shall spin her 180. Well, at the doors. Of course, kurwa, no. Obviously the doors. Dobra. Now 180. This is amazing, huh? Cool. So now we need to find the rest of the buttons, which are there. Now I have lost everything. I've lost everything. No, he's there. 2 plus, you're going down. So that screw. And then we should be diddly boo. 1 second, let me put you into the mystery of the D symbol. Szmato tej. Because this is leaning on something else. Let's put you on the blade. That's why nice, yeah? Moment. Don't worry, we will edit that moment. We will edit. We will edit this. Because why not? We edit everything. Life is one full edit. Start pretending to be someone that you're not. That's the biggest problem, huh? Dawaj, kurwa, ty dzbanie! Okej. Ja pierdolę, kurwa. Edukacja w pizdu. Co za zjeby. Dobra, okay, we are getting there. So, you know, get excited. So, we've got, just to be sure, we've got 5 bits. Yeah, 1 second. Come back. 2 plus. Yeah, okay. So now 2 plus. comes off. Ah, made in Italy. Made in Italy. Jesteś kurwa sam made in Italy. Why this is not touching anything? Okay, what am I looking at? That's a brilliant question. I have no clue, man. Okay, I have no clue. Preriscalando. To parlando. Preheating. Kurwa, co za preheating ty mi tu pierdolisz. Dobrze, okej. Okay. Dobra, what we're gonna do, we will now take our little things. Yeah? Take our little things. Now, what we're gonna do, we're gonna make somebody have a heart attack. Yeah? So by doing that, we may simply, what is this? It does nothing. No, that does nothing. Oh, we're gonna make somebody have a heart attack. 2+. Yes? Okay, 2+. This is the bit. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take all this with me. Yes, because why not? Yeah, one more. Okay, dobra. Now, what we're gonna do is we will put that there. We will put that there. Dobrze, okay. Kurwa, everything is difficult, huh? Fucking hell. Teraz tak, zamkniemy te drzwiczki. Gonna close the door. Yeah. Press this stupid button. We're gonna travel with you there. Okay. We will put this into 0. Nothing is happening, which is brilliant. But what we will do, we will get you 270. Okay, now 70 MDI. Zajebiście. No, push you there. Teraz, we're gonna, so this is what we can see. Yeah, if you can see. Yeah, okay. So now, this is a situation. We got 2+ open. Yeah, we're gonna go into our things. We're gonna go into our 2 plastic. 2 plastic is there. We're gonna make him spin. Yeah? And he's spinning. Yeah? He's spinning. Now, we're gonna put some water through here. Okay? Now, we've got water everywhere. Perfect. Now, question is, what is gonna happen if we're gonna lower her down? Something has stopped, but kurwa what? Okay, let's find out. Okay, so part 3 of our little journey. This is the problem. This is the problem. She is bending, and she's not allowing water to go through. So what we're gonna do, we will try to fix it. Yeah? How we gonna fucking fix it? I have no clue, but we shall give it a go. Kurwa macie, where do I put this? Okay. 2+, come on. You are 2+, and I am 2-. Pierdolone kurwa badziewie. Ja pierdolę. Sami kurwa mędrcy. Piździec. Come on, man. Z dupy jak chuj, no. Okay. So, this is our problem, huh? Hello? Now, this fucking bed is that tube. That tube is this tube. That tube. Oh, fucking no. Whoa, how? Where do you want me to go? Get this fucking thing out. Oh, for fuck's sake. fucking problem. That cannot be. Okay. So this is our problematic. Fucking hell. Okay. I would like to. Okay, let's pull this fucking thing up. Okay. I'm going to do access. I'm going to leave that fucking good. Fuck's sake! What's... Don't interrupt my video! I'm just broadcasting.
You broke it?
Of course!
Oh, for God's sake.
I know, man. Life, huh? Life. So, okay, where is my phone? So what we've done, we have undo this.
That's it.
Yeah? Now this hopefully makes it a bit more relaxed. Yeah? Because, if we can make her relaxed, she will be fine. But the problem that I have is she's not spinning the way how I want. I would like her to be 90 degrees this way. Troszkę mnie to martwi, kurwa, te kable się gdzieś wpierdalają w jakieś... Ale no dobrze, let's see what this will do. What do I need to do? I don't know. Huh? Okay, so now, water is coming. Yes, very much. Okay, cool, lovely. Dobra, next. 2 plus goes down, fucking hell, shit. That's even worse. How the hell did they do this? That's even worse, man. That's even worse. Because that is bending tragically. That is fucking bending tragically. Okay, I'll come back in a minute. Try to find a solution. Okay, after a lot of swearing, we have sorted, kind of. So, this is the pipe, yeah? This is the pipe. She's still fucked up, yeah? So, we shall either replace it, which I personally think I have no flipping clue how I'm gonna get in there, man. Nikush, I'm gonna need you. Or Piotruś, I'm gonna need you. Because for God's sake, man, where the fuck and how? But anyway, so this is the situation. It comes from here, from there, yeah, down. So this is now loose. Kurwa, is that any good? I don't know. Anyway, so this is that. Now, just to test it, is the crazy part, huh? Italia. This is the crazy part. That it will work without the cover. Obviously, with the cover, it does work as well. The problem is, yeah, na kurvia, it's flashing like hell. It's going down. Everyone are happy. It goes up. Everyone are happy. It turns off. Everyone are flipping happy. So now, what we need to do is somehow get this on there without making too much mess. So, part next, because you know, I'm recording like flipping Steven Spielberg, and we shall see. Okay, bye-bye. Okay, the last episode of our how did I got a brand new machine and I fucked it up within 5 minutes. So, the 2 Plus, this is it. The cover is on. This is not necessarily in a good position, so let's put it. Axis goes to 0. Bach, bach. No, obviously the doors, you stupid idiot. Fucking hell, man, the doors. Where is the thing that blocks this? 0? Okay, she's going. Yes, good. So, you happy, baby? Okay, let's just double check if I didn't leave anything on top. Because that would be barbaric. Tim, 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 tim. Nikush, because this is where I need to get, huh? Mate, this is tragic. Fucking, I'm not gonna open this. You guys, you know, I know that you believe in me, but come on, man. Jezu, there's more of this. Fuck's sake. Anyway, 2 Plus, my friend, 2 Plus. Pupa Plus. Okay, let's go. Ouch. Why this is so badly? That I won't be able to work out. But anyway, is that how it's supposed to be? I believe so. Kurwa, what can you do? Okay, go back. Now, Blados, Tulplasos, Wateros. There is water. We are winning. And we go down. She goes down as well. The problem that I have is that noise. The pick. Look, listen. I am knocking on something, I know, but fuck, you know, man. This is something I'm gonna have to address it maybe tomorrow or whatever. Anyway, okay, so this is the end of this video. Thank you for watching. I believe nobody will watch that anyway, so that's fine. Bye-bye.